Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to add friends on Duolingo. Before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel for more amazing videos. Let's start our video without wasting any time. So first you have to open your Duolingo. And once you are in the Duolingo, you have to click on this bell icon on the bottom right corner. And from here you can see on the top section there is a section which is called Add Friends. Tap on Add Friends button and you will see the three ways from which you can add your friends. The first one is choose from contacts. So tap on that and from here you have to write down the phone number of that person to whom you want to add on Duolingo. Another way of adding is to search by their name. So from here you can also see the friend suggestion. And the last way to add the friends on Duolingo is to click on this share your profile button and you will see this type of interface. So if you want to send this, you can click on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter or WhatsApp. So if your friend is on WhatsApp, you can tap on WhatsApp, and if you want to download this, click on save image, and from there you can send it to anyone on any platform. So this is how you add friends on Duolingo. I hope this video will help you. If so, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe this channel.